important to respect elders, to love and care the younger one, and help others and always tell the truth. Sea learning helps me from being a bad person to a good person and helping others in need.
Sea learning had taught and inspired me to show gratitude towards others and even the mundane things in life, which often people take as granted, like a place to live, clean water, and friends and family, and etc.
If someone asks me what sea learning is all about, then I will first tell them what C stands for, which is social, emotional, and ethical learning. And it has way more diverse topics than topics that is usually learned in school, like grounding, resourcing, shift and stay, tracking, and mindfulness. It also teaches you about kindness, compassion, not compassion just to others, but also compassion to yourself, tolerance, interdependence, sympathy, empathy, anger management, and many more that will help you build a better relationship with your friends, teachers, and parents.
이 시신 뜻한데 출루 라마덴 베톤에 아니 랍데나로라 상주 라베기 롭센식 뜻한데 잘라 타르캡 친구 조데오레 겨울음치기 공부를 디치두 디도라 시우지 가르게 하나서 니마 decision 유디게 에머리 유니버시티 단 디게 송데 토니 두스낭 아니 쇼고데 딜리기 퍼블릭 스쿨 슝기 랍다 당 안테서 니자 히마젤 랍다 슝기 랍다 주나라 라다 체기 디나서 디치도 자말라 겔람 모라인 바이네 디페 메시 계신 불진 아니시레 아니 게나 게르기 뭐 차돈니 두식 모나 존다 두식 롭존체 아니 디롭존치 교디 비게 디글링 랍다기 레지 두나라 파 콘솔레 존다 두식나 아니 수수자니 콘솔레 두 존다나 안디 랍시 디게디 아니 부초라 딱직 부초라 강투도기 직 출루라마덴베 상주 컴플리트해야 단다 시시윤디 락다치엘라 뻬무시 칼레기아나서 디 칼레기아교디 갸와나싱 오네 좀제 할레바야고 튼수성무
Compassion is very important. Even animal, they appreciate compassion. More compassionate mind here, you get more inner peace. That's very important for our health. A lot of suffering, pain, our own creation. Big question, whether this problem can reduce or not. Answer is yes. How? Change here through knowledge.
Sea learning, as we say, is social, emotional, and ethical learning. And as a level 1 facilitator now, I personally feel that sea learning is not taught to the children as a compulsory subject, but we must help children to feel the need and the value of sea learning in their personal growth.
There are many things that I have learned through sea learning, but the most influential thing that it helps me a lot in decision making and thinking out of the box creativity. Problem solving abilities makes me more confident in any situation when I am facing hard times and when I am depressed in my life.
Implement of sea learning in our school is very important. In sea learning, I learned so many things like grounding, resourcing, tracking, self-compassion, anger management, and many more. But grounding is one of the most helpful one for me. It's helped me to become peaceful mind and peaceful person.
For me, I will become a good student, good human being, and good son.
The sea learning has changed me completely this year. When I was class 7, there was no sea learning, so I was very mean and didn't share my things to anybody. So when the sea learning came and I learned it, I become more friendly and I start sharing my things with another person.
Sea learning have really helped me in making my path clear of stress and distraction I was going through. But first of all, I'm very grateful to my teacher for introducing us to the subject called sea learning. It's really helped me to control my anger and sadness, and it also taught me that there are many other brighter sides of the world that are waiting for you to see them. Thank you.
I feel that social, emotional, ethical learning, C-learning, helped me as it teaches me the ability to understand myself, develop a positive self-image, take responsibility for my actions, and forge relationship with the people around me. It also helped me to understand my abilities and confidence.
Has C-learning ever helped you to build a better relationship with your friends?
Yes. Before learning C education, I was very angry and non-tolerant towards others. But after learning this particular lesson, I become more selfless and lovable towards them.
I basically use my C learnings on my friends and families, but mostly on my best friend Sepa because he always annoy me and hit me sometimes. I tolerate his behavior, which helps my relationship with him to be stable.
Yes, I do have encountered many situations where C learning has helped me build a better relationship between me and my friends. As before learning the C education, I used to be a very short-tempered girl and fought with my friends. But after learning the C education, I learned to tolerate myself and become happier.
First of all, I would like to thank our school administrator for implementing C learning in our school. And yes, I see so many benefits of implementing C learning in our school because it has brought too many positive changes in our school, such as we all the students and teachers have developed our control over the emotions. Ethics and disciplines of students have developed. Compassion, tolerance, and patience in the students have grown so they do not fight with each other and they do all their jobs mindfully.
안주 팅상 투주디 랑안주 상주디 칼레칼레 라주고 송자다 시슈인디 요와나 딱 믹시 안주 롭티낭 딱바 총더 치와이네리 땅주 롭진 시송 쇠와나 아니 ngaransu gigi mangbupi chayaraido nyemdulayan pulai lagdar chidudura andinga pimsi kijimudu dulan dishe
ndanga nesa ra tawani sumsingelaya ani tanda L1 facilitator ki tanda di course di tanda cheda chemi ni digalaya jidanga zo thoma di dewa chungdu sambalaya digala godo dente shirame ani tanda ngazo de labde ki ki jicho ki digalaya ngazo ngoduchi lamdena
tanda nganzo si shen ki labyong di tanda degiding ki labra ta ani chege genge labru ta gege nija la ya tanda nganzo ki chege kasa usna la len ta chine logi girin la ya chege khadu jowa shuji ro tu ya ji ta roya yin ba ji ngai je chege me ina ya ani chege maung pa la ya pujang rimbu ye chino kon se chongor rum chen ki gongji ta ani ji yarab sang shu da tembe gi mi sambochi ta mi yarabchi ya chayagi ani rewa chamboji tongdu
chulul maten be samje lana khani de lagore
chulul samje na social emotional ethical life
ti khachi ore
ti ra means jewa khachi ore
khachini
sembe mi semba ro khachi na su la ro khachi ta ga ito
ni kran si shingi lobse nanglo ne yakshu kharton
deki kana nangjo ya digile na semba kiura ni semba kiu sinaya ni semba la phento na chitira ni yam de shenpe na cha dura
kran si learning ne kran la yakshu khare hagos
가시라 중기된 신하라 semkiu sayara kondo sadyosu라 마티시라 kondo se komaya jidendo
kran nang la tone tenso la len chigiwe kadu chigi
ngaya kundu sadidang ani gonda mangeni le chira ani nga yigende ya kale khakku chungaya ani hundi ya di mashingna ya ani nga tensi lakni chi
tensi lakni chi na khachido
ngaya tensi lakni chi na sokko dang sangwan de lesi chi
tensi lakni chi di kirang sambala labda pugu changma la gechimbo re sambutu gechimbo mare sambutu khachini
lokja dang changma shide dang yakkuchana ani nga lokja yakkuche susu simya
이 스티션잖아 수수라 개변이래
수수 아니 여 gelada amata popo다 아빠다 모모
조진나 키랑 스티션 장니 키랑나 개변 가르쳐
我西学长的课本课中生的呀，你往这亲戚个是西学男的讲有嘛啦？俺你先把定这个书，那把你忙不过来，你先把定这个，你把当人的菜系的，俺经常我就西学的，定这讲你个，先边当人的什么讲你个，你先把来，你把么给你个，偏东西的的，你没什么丢的。I find grounding best because it helps me from anxiety by meditating in a relaxing way and thinking about what I love, and sometimes it makes me happy.
For me, it is also grounding. Grounding is meditating in a relaxing way and thinking about your loved ones and things you like.
가져오기로 실은 해피 graduation인데.
So sea learning is, I consider, as one of the fourth most basic needs of every individual, apart from food, clothes and shelter. The fourth has to be sea learning. The fast world these days, the kids are becoming very smarter in every field, but one thing that are lacking behind is how emotional control they has to cope with and how compassionate they have to be for others, so that they become more compassionate and bring changes on a global level. Mindfulness, granting, resourcing, emotional control, empathy, kindness, 제가 여러 책이 가지고니 미디는 몰라. 기본마시 누가 용이 수치 중요 말을 한다. 그것도 좀 미리 공유해. 아 여러 책가 좀 얘기 맞으면 레슬해 본다. 나 배포라데 많이 슈포스래 본다. 나 지도만 보다 상대 슈스래 미리 통해 돼. 미와 수치. 제도가 어디 가서 인지 미디센라 샤고 치스라니. 다딩에 간다. 로비기 그거 표정이 아와서 좀 믹스이 슈르다. 키세 ता थालो लो युंगे ते जो थामा दे देल छिगी दा लाटे नांगला ताकवा छि छेदा समनले छि शु मि तुमने मि दंगना तांग थामा सुकुले छि छे अनि डीप ब्रीथिंग ओ खाली याने ओ खाली मांडे अनि थ्री थुंगे ते जो दिखरे ये लदे संभाला माय स्कूल ने लोटा अनि दूस चीजे क्रागी समलो लपटा रंग ता जिंकांग खंजे क्रागी जिंकांग क्रा डेस्ट मेट स्विम बे क्रा जिंदा नंगलो ला खंडेस दिए केला की यिगिल लोटी नंगदे संबला क्रा छोरवा खंडे जितो जिंगा नंगला अनि जिंदा की नपा दे सुदो खंडे अनि जिंदा की नंगलो ला क्रा किबु chini deyo topo munyumdo chini deyo gela so ilukti nangde khranya ko chini nyeche an gela ilukti nangde zama kera shewa un dus namlo ji tangda trans ani ze ji tangde zabo chu nishu ra yo ani tene zida chöche sama thanga la male sama gemu saksa gani sama yitse ya pope chomo lokze sama gyache gyani gya pogo sama yitse pas ani nyamdo gela soe nyamdo gemu shori ka toto chene ma sama basket thangla the ani pogo sama so chomo la shake pan la dire lokde la tre ni ma thama yis ni do ni saksongi ani sama naza mewas sem kibo sama kyu chine dinima kaka toto ani gelo bichulo la suko thama de gemu shon bude ka ide sa bu sama gata gyalle o dus chiche ani sama khali chomo nyamdo thama nyamdo awu nyamdo popo momo nyamdo ma cheta la te thang ni ma the ge wo ni ma the lo sama gemu chin oh ya ta cha thau ji se chen da ya wo chin ja oh ya in school de la la ni kama de ke se kama shi se ma so